And here are my assistants. This is Miss Presley. And there's the old man Potter hanging out, watching me. So, glimpse inside. Just giving it a look. I got it together, did the brad nails and the glue. Had to watch the video because I guess I wasn't crafty enough to figure this out. But now I'm gonna give it a whirl. Gotta have one of my handy dandy scrap wood phone holders. I might have it in backward, but this is the way it's gonna work for right now. Gonna turn. That wasn't a complete failure, but I got to learn to put my sandpaper on the correct way. And then I got to figure out how to clamp this. I'd say that's a wow.